Yeah, this is some species of parrot. Where does this species of parrot found anyway?
In New South Wales.
New South Wales, yeah.
Everybody, we do have hatching cages on either side of the hall.
He's called a red-tailed parrot, is he?
Red-tailed Black Cockatoo.
Red-tailed Black Cockatoo, yeah. How much would they be worth here in Australia?
Oh, $1,800 I get for him.
$1,800, $1,800, oh yeah.
Will you buy?
No, if you like I'll give him to you.
Hello.
So this is a red-tailed, parrot, from New South Wales. Cockatoo. You're beautiful, aren't you, hey? Come here, you bloody old bugger. Come here. Hop in. Come here, come on. You good little birdie. This is the Gunnedah Bird Show 2008. The 5th, Saturday, 5th of April 2008.